welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. Today I'm standing up for you guys. Literally though, but no, in today's video I'm doing an unboxing, but not like a real-time unboxing, but I am sharing the cutest, tiniest, mini, micro, whatever teeny bitty small bag is. Well, you clicked on this video I think because you're very intrigued of what it is, and it's from the brand called Loewe, and this brand is very close to my heart. And yeah, but before anything, I am Kenny. I am doing luxury videos like this, unboxings, bag reviews, and yeah, if you want to join me in this journey, please do so by subscribing to the channel and liking the video, and yeah, like showing your love by commenting down below. So it came in this box. It's pre-loved, it's not brand new, but the seller said it was brand new, it wasn't used. So I did open this just to make sure that there is something in here that we will be unboxing, you know. So it's pretty well packaged. It has another dust bag and the real box from Loewe. And yeah, this is the first time that I'll be like touching a Loewe box. The puzzle bag that I have doesn't have the box. Right. And it comes in this package or box. So it came with all the cards and the booklet. So I'll put it on the side. It comes in this little cutie dust bag right here. Okay, let's ready. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! I know. And it's this little cutie right here. It's the elephant coin purse in the gold hardware in the stone blue colorway. So there it is. I know, you might be thinking, did you just clickbait us? No, but seriously, it's still got the tags or the plastic. So I'm just taking that off. Okay. Just chill guys, I have an idea. So I thought, while waiting for the item to come to me, I have looked online of what the coin purse looks like on the website, and I thought there's like two pieces of metal bits on both sides. And I'm thinking, can I turn this into like a micro mini bag similar to the Jakimu's Le Chiquito bag? I mean, I still want to jump onto the bandwagon, but I don't want to commit fully, you know. But still, this is like a coin purse. You can put it as a keychain on your bag, just for size reference. AirPod and the elephant. Okay. So let's see if this fits inside. Okay, let's put it in. Oh, well, it fits. There you go, it fits. Now, I have this strap from my Celine Nano, which I don't use. It has a zipper pull. Well, technically, you need to pull this back just so you can zip the coin purse shut. But what I am planning to do is attach the strap on this zipper pull and the other bit on this side, so I can do like, you know, I can still jump on into the micro teeny bitty micro bag trend. So let's snap and attach it. Let's attach it in there. Does fit perfectly. And the other one on that side. So like a quirky idea, but you know, it's possible. If you do have this, you can attach it on any bag that you have. You can use it as a coin purse. You can use it as coin purse, and yeah, basically a micro bag. I just thought it's like a very like clever idea in my opinion, but yeah, if you do have this, it's a possible idea to transform this coin purse into a mini micro bag. Yeah, I just love it. I'm also thinking maybe to get the full size, like the bag version of this, but I'm not sure. It's for the novelty of it. It's not like it's the most, it's like so functional as a bag, but oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute. So cute. Anyway, this should be a short video, but I hope you enjoyed this KISS, keep it short and simple video. And yes guys, I hope you are all good and keeping safe. Yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.